This is how wound adhesive is properly applied. Wound adhesive is commonly used for superficial wound closure, but technique matters. Let's quickly review the basics of applying wound adhesive. Wound adhesive works best for superficial wounds, low tension areas, and well approximated wound edges. If the wound is deep, under tension, contaminated, or gaping, adhesive alone will not hold well. After properly irrigating the wound, dry the surrounding skin well. The wound needs to be completely dry. Moisture or active bleeding will prevent the adhesive from adhering properly. Before applying adhesive, gently bring the wound edges together. Good approximation is key. You want the skin edges aligned, not overlapping or inverted. If you're finding this video helpful, like and subscribe. It helps me keep creating videos like this. Now apply a thin layer of adhesive over the top of the closed wound while holding the wound edges exactly how you want them to heal. I typically hold the wound edges together for about 2 to 3 minutes while the adhesive dries. After the first layer is dry, I like applying a second thin layer for extra security. I check that it's dry by lightly tapping it. It may look wet because it's shiny, but if it's no longer tacky, it's dry. One thing to be aware of, there is usually a delayed stinging or burning sensation shortly after application that lasts about 10 to 15 seconds. Be prepared for that, especially with kids, because they may suddenly start moving around. Remember, you're holding the wound edges together while the adhesive dries, so sudden movement can cause you to lose your approximation. And here's what not to do. Do not push the adhesive into the wound. The adhesive should stay on the outside surface of the skin only. If the adhesive gets inside the wound, it can impair healing, increase the risk of wound separation, and the body will eventually push it out. Used correctly, wound adhesive can give excellent results for the right wound. Thank you for watching. See you next time.